Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are well and welcome again in my today's offline class. Today my topic is for class 7th subject English, and the topic name is Tobacco the Silent Killer. Dear students, just open your book at page number 14 and see this lesson. This is a long lesson, but I will try to complete this lesson in one lecture, inshallah. uh, Tobacco, as we all know that this tobacco is very dangerous for our health, as truly it is a silent killer. Okay, now I will give you in summary in short so that you can understand it. As we all know that this tobacco is a common name. First, it is a common name which is you applied to the plants of the nightshade family, means it belongs to a nightshade family. This plant belongs to a nightshade family, and these are cultivated for their leaves. It is cultivated for their leaves, and tobacco is an agricultural product processed from these leaves and in nicotine. Yeah, okay. This tobacco plant is one of the most important commercial non-food crop. Means it is a non-food crop grown in the world today, and this plant grows 1 to 3 meter and produces between 10 to 20 broad leaves. Means each plant had 10 to 20 broad leaves, and these leaves are then dried and processed and then used to produce cigarettes, cigars, and this chewing tobacco. इसको हम तंबाकू भी कहते हैं. And now it is said that firstly the Christopher Columbus, who was a great person, and his men on landing on the island of Tobacco in 1492 found the natives. These natives were using the tobacco leaves for fertilizer. Since then, the habit of smoking separate to different cultures all over the world, and now it has become a big industry at the cost of health. This smoke contains 4,000 chemicals. 43 of them are carcinogen, means cancer causing substances. Okay, it irritates oxides of nitrogen. It irritates anemia, and oxides of nitrogen, carbon and monoxide, which binds to the hemoglobin and reduces its oxygen carrying capacity, is also present in this chemical. The major component, however, is nicotine, which has harmful effects on the nervous system in humans, as it has a major component, and it has a major component which is known as nicotine. Nicotine is present in this tobacco, and which is very harmful, and it affects in our system, human system. It is highly addictive and produces an increased heart rate and high blood pressure. So it is very dangerous. It is very harmful for our health. Now we will see the uses of this tobacco, in what way it is used. Nicotine obtained from the plants is widely used in agriculture as an insecticide. यानी कि खाद बतौर खाद ये इस्तेमाल होती है ये nicotine. Refined tobacco seed oil can be used as a substitute for groundnut oil. It is also used for a groundnut, and it contains no nicotine. And this nicotine is also a valuable constituent of many vitamin preparations. However, smoking poses a big threat towards healthy living. Men who smoke are 10 times more likely to die from lung cancer than non-smokers. Okay. The mixture of nicotine and carbon monoxide in each cigarette smoked temporarily increases heart rate and blood pressure, which strains the heart and blood vessels. Smoking causes fat and deposit to narrow and block blood vessels. It blocks blood vessels, which leads to heart attack. Okay, and also emphysema is a term. It is an illness. That slowly rots the lungs. Okay, people with these emphysema often get bronchitis again and again. And this cigarette smoking during pregnancy also increases the risk of a high birth weight and even premature babies. Even passive smokers became proximally into a smoker. Even these passive smokers which do not smoke but are passive also run the risk of developing many diseases in comparison to active smokers. And now in Kashmir, people also consume this tobacco by inhaling smoke from hookah, which is the native language is called, we all know that in the native language it is called jijir. Okay, and in the last in this last stanza it is said that life is very precious. We all know that our life is very precious because one lives at once. To live a healthy and fit life, one should take a balanced diet, lot of water, and exercise daily. There is a lot of campaigning going around the world against the smoking. Unfortunately, really, it is the many youngsters are getting addicted. We all know that all these youngsters are now getting addicted to this harmful habit. Okay. Now, even cigarette packets have warning lines. We have all seen these warning lines written on them. These warning lines are smoking causes cancer. And this World Anti-Tobacco Day is also celebrated on 31st every year to create awareness. But in spite of that, people smoke and neglect their health. Okay. To quit smoking, to create a healthy, conscious society, willpower and family support can play a pivotal role. Okay. Now I will give you the summary in Urdu. तंबाकू जो है वो एक जहरीली नस्ल वाले ऐसे पौधे को दिया गया नाम है जिसकी खेती इनके पत्तों के लिए की जाती है, यानी कि जो ये पत्ते होते हैं वही मतलब इस टबेको को बनाने के लिए काम आते हैं। टम्बेको का पौधा जो है और की दुनिया में उगाई जाने वाली सबसे अहम जो है तजारती और गैर अनाजी फसल है, यानी कि तजारत इसकी बहुत होती है लेकिन ये गैर अनाजी है, इसमें मतलब ये हमें फसल वगैरह नहीं देता है, इसके सिर्फ ये जो पत्ते हैं वही इस्तेमाल होते हैं। तंबाकू के पौधे 103 मीटर की ऊंचाई तक उगते हैं और इनमें 10 से 20 मतलब बड़े जो पत्ते होते हैं वो लगते हैं। इन पत्तों को पहले सुखाया जाता है, फिर सिगरेट, चिलमे और कुछ चबाने वाले ये तंबाकू के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है। पहले ये कहा जाता है कि जो ये कोलंबस था वो एक अजीम आदमी था, वो और इसके जो आदमी थे वो 1492 ईस्वी में टोबैको एक जगह है कि जजीरे पर उतरे। तो उन्होंने वहाँ क्या देखा, उन्होंने वहाँ के बाशिंदों को दिल बहलाने के लिए जो ये तंबाकू है इसके पत्तों का इस्तेमाल करते देखा। तब से जो ये तंबाकू नोशी है इसकी आदत पूरी दुनिया में फैल गई और सेहत की कीमत पर एक बड़ा कारोबार बन गया। दुबई में 4000 से ज़्यादा केमिकल्स होते हैं, इनमें 43 जो है वो कैंसर पैदा करने वाले होते हैं, लेकिन इन सब का सबसे बड़ा हिस्सा जो होता है उसको निकोटीन कहते हैं, जो इंसान के मतलब एसाबी निज़ाम पर नुकसानदेह असर डालता है। ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा नशे की आदत डालने वाला होता है और इससे जो हमारी बॉडी की सेल्स की रफ्तार जो है और खून में जो फिशार होता है इसमें भी इजाफा होता है। इस पौधे से मिलने वाले निकोटीन का इस्तेमाल जो है वो दवाई के तौर पर भी इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, मतलब जो हम दवाई खेती बाड़ी के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं उसमें भी इस्तेमाल होता है। ओके, ये इसमें मैंने उर्दू और इंग्लिश में इसकी समरी आपको बताई। जो इसके वर्ड्स है या इसके जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है वो अब मैं आपको अपने ग्रुप में इंशाल्लाह डाल दूँगी। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।